Guys, I'm sorry, my mother's doing live right now. So today I'm gonna be reviewing slimes. Okay, I hope you can see. Okay, so this one's black. As you know, this one's black. Okay, but this one is tough. So, also sorry for never post first one.
I can tell you this is very high quality. Okay, green green
I'll show you one of my favorites that's so soft. This other one. Okay, sorry.
Okay, 100 count, 100 count.
Oh my gosh. Honestly, 8 out of 10.
Thank you, Black Rose. Thank you,
It's good.
Oh, I remember that name.
Thank you.
Sorry if I'm looking here because camera's good.
Okay,
Second one of mine, it's even better. It's even better.
Okay, rapid 1278. 1278.
Don't mind the noise behind. Okay, now it's this yellow tone.
Please come to
Oh my god. This is... It's a green. It's air dry clay, so I better be careful. Still haven't opened it, so I will post a video of opening